This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Troy Hensley. Nestled in the heart of Lake Nona / Storey Park, this stunning 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home exudes a sense of newness throughout. Step inside to discover an inviting open floor plan, highlighted by a spacious and luminous formal living room. The first floor seamlessly flows into a modern kitchen boasting large 42 inches cabinets, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The kitchen opens up to a great room and a private rear porch, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The entire first floor is elegantly finished with ceramic tile. Upstairs, 3 roomy bedrooms await, each bathed in beautiful natural light. One of the secondary bedrooms even features a large walk-in closet. The owner's retreat offers ample space for a sitting area and boasts a large walk-in closet with plenty of built-in organizers to accommodate modern needs. The master bathroom is a luxurious retreat with a large 2-sink vanity, a spacious soaking tub, and a large walk-in shower. The home also includes a large 2-car garage with rear entry. Storey Park offers residents access to a clubhouse, fitness room, and a resort-style pool. Enjoy the convenience of being minutes away from all that Lake Nona has to offer. Located just minutes from the 417, this home is truly a gem waiting to be discovered. Don't wait for the builder, come see this home and feel at home the moment you walk through the door. For more information, review the details below.